Now come to third rule. Third rule is if you have a number x raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n, how will you simplify this? Here base is x, keep it as it is. Now power raised to the power, there is one power m and raised to the power n. It means you are multiplying the powers. You are multiplying. In previous two laws, your powers were like x raised to the power m multiply x raised to the power n. There were two numbers, but here only one number is and there are two powers. Then how will you solve this? You will just multiply the powers. You will multiply the power and keep the base as it is. And this rule is known as power to power. Power to power. There are two powers. Power to power rule for exponents. Power to power rule for exponents. For example, if I have a number 3 whole power 4 and whole power minus 5. Okay, it will give you 3. By this formula, it will give you 4 multiply minus 5. And this will give you 3 multiply minus 20. This is your answer. Okay. You can verify also if I take simple example like 2 raised to the power 2 multiply, raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 3. It will give you 2 raised to the power 2. What if this means? 2 is multiplying 2 times. Whole power 3. 2 to the 4. 4 whole power 3. 4 is multiplying 3 times and it will give you 64. Now come to right hand side. According to this law, this will be simplified to 2 raised to the power. Powers will be multiplied. 2 3s are 6. It becomes 2 raised to the power 6 and this will give you 2 is multiplying how many times? 6 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Both answers are same. It means your x raised to the power m raised to the power n will give you x multiply, powers will be multiplied. Now come to another rule. Another rule gives you if you have two numbers, x power m multiply y power m. Here two numbers, but note that here base is x, here base is y. Here base is power is m and here also power is m. It means in these two numbers power is same but base is different. How will you solve this? You will just multiply because operation is multiplying. So you will just multiply the base and keep the power as it is. Keep the power as it is. Like you are just multiplying the base and keep the power as it is. For example, if I have 1 by 2 power 3 multiply 1 by 4 power 3. So it will be further simplified to 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 3 whole power 3. Whole power 3. You will just keep the power as it is but you will multiply the bases. Now fifth rule is if you have x power m divided by y power m. X power m divided by y power m. Here operation is division and base is x, here base is y. Power is m, power is m. It means power is same but bases are different. How will you solve this? X upon y whole power m. You will keep the power same in common and you will just solve like this. For example, if I have x is 2 power 3 that is divided by 7 power 3. It will give you 2 upon 7 whole power 3. Okay. Now the last rule is if you have a number, any number x other than 0. If you have any number x other than 0 and that raised to the power 0, any number which has power 0, it will give you 1. It will give you 1. Like 2 power 0, what it will give? 1. 1 by 3 power 0, what it will give? 1. 500 power 0, what will it give? 1. But here note that x cannot be equal to 0. Like 0 to the power 0. It is not defined. It is not defined.